Okay, so now that we've finished the leg, what we're going to have a look at now is how to roll the client over while not exposing anything, still keeping them draped. So, I remove my bolster from under the feet, popping the sheet back down, and I pull the towel a little bit over this way, like so. Making sure that it covers up to the neck. So I position myself so it holds a towel here, and then I just lift it a little bit and just ask the client or the person to roll over onto their back. Like so, keeping them nice and covered the whole time. There you can reposition the towel a little bit. I come through, keeping with the client covered. Pop this one under the knees for them, like so. And then placing one also under the head, a pillow under the head there. And that's rolling the client over.